We have 3 chords. Those 3 chords we're going to have are the E, the A, and the B7. Here's the E. So that is the full 8 bars that I played there. So that was a full go around that. That was in a more of a strict time. But you don't have to have a strict time to it. You don't at all. And I like that freedom. So we can play the chord, explore the sound of the chord. And then in between, we can add bits to it. So we want to add some scales. And the scale that you really want to tap into with this, the first one really is this minor pentatonic here. If you want to look at it from open 3 on the E string, open 2 on the A string, open 2 on the D string, open 2 on the G string, open 3 on the B string, open 3 on the thin E string as well. Play that E minor pentatonic, but what we can do is we can add some bluesy flavour to that by adding the flat 5, and let me explain. Eyup, if you're sick of pausing my YouTube lessons and scribbling down chords and diagrams, well, I've got you. PDF Club gives you a library of over 350 exclusive downloadable and printable guitar handouts and PDFs with chord charts, diagrams and worksheets all ready to rock. Just grab what you need and get back to playing. It's the perfect partner for my YouTube video lessons. Check it out now at rickysguitar.com/get PDF Club. Now back to the lesson. The open E string is the root, the 3rd fret is the flat 3rd. The open A string is the 4th. This note here is the flat 5, the blues notes, the blue note here. And there's the 5th just here. And then I go here, flat 7 on the open D string. 2nd fret on the D string is the root note again. Yeah. I practice those in little sections, so you could go. It's pretty cool there, right? So if I want to go up the octave with this to end on this thin E string, I've got that, and my flat 5 is here. I can do some little pull off stuff here. And I like that because it's at the 3rd fret. And those are at the 3rd fret. You see? Now what I like to do is, because these chords have got major thirds, look, this has got a major third, and you can do this with all of these chords as well. If I take an E chord and I play it as an E minor and then hammer the index finger on, you can hear I get that kind of a roll to it, yeah? I can do the same thing with an A7 here. I can actually hold down on it. It's like an A minor 7. Yeah, and I can do it on that B7. There's the minor third there. And then I put that major third on, becomes that B7 chord. So that's a nice little effect. And I like to use that on its own, just like. Now, because I can do that within the chord, I can do it on the scale. So this is the flat third, and I'm implying that I'm bending it up to the major third, which I can slide to, actually. But I just want that little bluesy moo bend. Yeah. And I particularly like that to kind of a Reverend Gary Davis sort of thing. The rougher you do it, the better. Play the open thick E string and hammer on to that. The timing should be just a little bit out. And I'm just playing that from that scale, and I'm thinking to myself, yeah, so we've got this little idea here. And because this is the flat third here, I can do it here. Look at that. You could do the same thing, what I was doing there with that on the A as well.